All right, boys and girls. Market has opened, and I've already tried to take a couple of trades. I got started late recording, even got started late getting to the charts, but not before market opened at 9:30. But did not catch any of this move up. Trades I did take, I'm down 1404 already on the day. So, I mean, unless something really obvious presents itself, I'm pretty much out for the day. Um, because as you can see here, my max account was 100 grand, and I brought it way past my 1% risk limit. Uh, so far for the day, I mean, like I said, I don't see anything major turning up right now. My original bias is bullish, but as you can see, NASDAQ had already swept liquidity up here, which would have been where I wanted to start, but I was on ES thinking ES was the lead. And I'm still thinking bullish, but ES hasn't even approached either of the liquidity draws that I've marked out here so far. I marked out a 1 hour liquidity draw here and another one here, as well as London highs and lows. So right now, we are just trading sideways. There is not a whole lot going on. So I'm just waiting for a move to come down or up to sweep liquidity. And right now, there isn't a whole lot of indication that I'm seeing of what's going on. Looks like we've got, you know, let me see if we've got a divergence here. Yeah, I mean, tell you the truth, I'm not sure what I'm seeing in terms of an SMT divergence. Let me take a look at something else here. We've got low to high, which is right here. I'm going to try something else real quick. Where's my Fibonacci? Maybe it's here. Oh, there it is, Fib retracement. Okay, so if we do this and we go, I think that's it right there. Looks like we might be headed down because 79. So if I do that, 79 is right here. It looks like we're dropping below. So this very well, yeah, this is headed down. So it looks like what we're doing is we're going to look head towards this liquidity sweep right here. Okay, so it looks like our bias is down to sweep that. And it looks like we're doing that on NASDAQ as well. So let me see. NASDAQ already swept the uppers. ES has not. So I'm going to look for a retracement somewhere in here, maybe into this fair value gap. Once this candle ends, let's see what the 5 minutes looking like. Yeah, 5 minutes giving us a pretty serious down candle. And given that NASDAQ has swept those highs already, I'm going to be relatively confident we're looking to come down to the strong liquidity and down here since it swept. Main thing being that right now it swept these highs and doesn't really have. I'm not seeing what looks like, even though we're in an uptrend here, I would have thought, continuing up, but I'm now thinking this is a sideways deal. This right here. So this very well could be a downtrend. Might be trading on the NASDAQ. ES is continuing to head down. Okay, it looks like we're not going to have so we're getting lower lows. And lower highs. We're definitely in a downtrend. All right, it wants that. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take 2 positions to sell here right at liquidity. There will be a trace back on this. Let me see here. We got on the 5-minute. Okay, we are getting a little bit of a retrace right here. I'm just going to hang on for a bit. Yep. Yep. All right, NASDAQ is heading down toward liquidity. NASDAQ actually looks like the one that's a little more realistic. Oh, hello. That one popped right up, didn't it? What is going on? This thing is working all kinds of against me here. Yeah, this is not yeah, I'm out. All right, boys and girls, that's it for me. I'm done. My daily max loss is 2,500. My um my total drawdown is 3,500, so I am not going to trade anymore. And look at it, it's probably just going to come right back down. So, all right, I'm done. Clearly, I can't read what's going on today, and I've had straight up losing trades the whole time. So today's not the day to be trading, at least anymore. That's yeah, that was really bad. Okay, that's it for today. What am I down? I'm down almost $1,700, 1697.82. Okay, it's not a great day. Okay, that's the end of that.